Welcome to Fun Food Stories. Close your eyes for just a second and imagine this. Golden, paper-thin slices of potato. Tender, melt in your mouth soft, wrapped in a cloud of rich, fluffy egg. There's no cheese, no flour, no onion in sight. Just potatoes, eggs, and olive oil. 3 ingredients. That's it. But today I'm going to show you how to turn those 3 humble staples into something so mind-blowingly delicious, it just might ruin plain omelets forever. The first time I had this omelet, I was sitting in a tiny cafe tucked away in the sun-dappled streets of Seville. The waiter said just potatoes, eggs and oil. I didn't believe him. But when I took that first bite, it was like my taste buds had gone on holiday. It was warm, creamy, nostalgic, like a childhood memory you never actually lived, but still feel deep in your bones. Now, here's what you can expect in today's video. A detailed step-by-step on the perfect Spanish omelet with only 3 ingredients, plus helpful ingredient alternatives for lighter or fancier versions, storage and make-ahead tips, so you never waste a bite, and the ultimate full meal presentation, including a smoky garlic-paprika aioli, a fresh cucumber salad, and a sparkling citrus spritz that will transport your senses straight to Spain's sunlit terraces. I'll even share a secret bonus way to turn this dish into a breakfast wrap you'll crave. If you love simple food with extraordinary flavor, be sure to subscribe and share this video with your friends who appreciate that kind of magic. Let's begin with the hero of the story. Potatoes. Start with 4 medium-sized potatoes. Waxy ones like Yukon Golds or white potatoes are perfect. Wash them well. Peel off the skin. Rinse again for that clean, earthy finish, and then slice them thin enough to almost see light through them. Not too thick, or they won't melt. Not too thin, or they'll break apart in the pan. Precision matters here. These potatoes are about to be transformed. Now take 1 cup of good quality olive oil. Don't skimp here, and heat it gently in a non-stick skillet over medium-low heat. This isn't deep frying. This is a slow, luxurious olive oil bath. Slide your potatoes in gently, almost like tucking them in. Stir occasionally, with care, as they soften and become beautifully tender. No crisping. No browning, just a slow dance in golden oil for about 15 minutes. While that happens, crack 6 large eggs into a wide bowl and whisk them until fluffy and light. Add a pinch of salt, nothing more, because the magic of this dish is letting each ingredient taste like itself, but better. Once your potatoes are fork tender, carefully scoop them out of the oil with a slotted spoon and add them straight into the eggs. Let them rest together for about 5 minutes, like old friends reacquainting. The potatoes absorb the richness of the egg, and the egg drinks up the flavor of the olive oil. This is where the real transformation begins. Clean out your pan, leaving just a whisper of oil. Then gently pour in your potato-egg mixture, smoothing it out with a spatula. Keep the heat low. This is not a race. Let the edges set, let the base firm up, and when the top is just slightly jiggly, here comes the flip. Take a wide, flat plate, press it firmly over the pan, say a little prayer if you must, and flip that omelet in one bold move. Slide it back into the pan to finish cooking the other side. Another 4 to 5 minutes and it's done. The top golden, the center set but moist, the whole thing slightly puffed like a risen sun. If you're looking for a lighter option, you can make it with just egg whites or air fry the potatoes instead of poaching them. It still turns out fluffy and deeply flavorful with a little less indulgence, but no less magic. And if you want to elevate it for a dinner party, add a whisper of truffle oil right before serving, or top with shaved manchego cheese. Not traditional, but absolutely divine. But wait, we're not stopping there. Because a perfect tortilla Española deserves more than just applause. Let's build the full experience. While the omelet rests, let's prepare the smoky garlic-paprika aioli. In a bowl, whisk together half a cup of mayonnaise, 1 grated garlic clove, a splash of lemon juice, and a half teaspoon of smoked Spanish paprika. Stir until creamy and smooth. This sauce is tangy, spicy, rich, and when you drizzle it over a warm slice of tortilla, it's like Spain itself is giving you a wink. Now for the refreshing side salad. Thinly slice a cucumber, half a red onion, and a handful of cherry tomatoes. Toss them in a bowl with a splash of red wine vinegar, olive oil, sea salt, and just a pinch of sugar to round the sharpness. Let it chill in the fridge for 10 minutes. The acidity cuts the richness of the omelet beautifully. And for our homemade drink, we're crafting a sparkling citrus spritz. In a pitcher, combine freshly squeezed orange juice, a few slices of lemon and lime, a sprig of mint, and chilled sparkling water. Add ice and a little drizzle of honey. It's light. It's zesty. It's the sun in a glass. Now let's set the scene. Place the omelet whole on a rustic wooden board or a large ceramic plate, something with character. Cut it into pie-like wedges and arrange them slightly fanned out. Drizzle with the aioli or serve it in a small dipping bowl on the side. Add a little dusting of smoked paprika on top for color. Spoon your salad into a side dish, garnished with extra mint or parsley. Pour your citrus spritz into tall glasses with citrus wheels floating like tiny boats. Add cloth napkins, a candle or two, and some background flamenco guitar music if you're feeling bold. And there you have it, a 3-ingredient Spanish omelet that turned into an unforgettable meal, rich, refreshing, colorful, and captivating. Proof that with a little care, a little creativity, and a dash of love, simple can be truly spectacular. If you have leftovers, though I doubt you will, wrap them in parchment paper and store in the fridge. This tortilla is even better the next day. Serve cold or at room temp for lunch or a picnic snack. Have you ever tasted a dish this simple yet this powerful? Let me know in the comments. What 3 ingredients have you turned into magic? And for my loyal friends who made it this far, here's a secret. This same base makes the fluffiest breakfast wrap filling. Just roll it in a warm tortilla with a spoonful of aioli. Unreal. So if this made you smile, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who loves good food with a twist. I can't wait to read your stories. Until next time, keep cooking with heart and never underestimate a potato.